Okay, we're gonna do the cabin air filter. Now it's behind the glove box. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna push these sides in. All right, there's two of them, one on this side, one on the other side. Once you pull this down, then there's a little rod. See this rod? This rod has a little hook to it, and it has a little mark over here. So you put your thumb in here and just push it down. Okay, when you push it down, it unlocks from this little clip. All right, there's a little clip right here. Once you unlock the clip, the glove box falls down. Half of its stuff stays in, half don't. Then inside here, you're gonna see a clip. There's one clip here, one clip here. Just gotta squeeze them in a little bit. Squeeze one side, squeeze the other side, and the cover comes off. Once it comes off, there is the filter. All right, you see the filter there? It says, there's an arrow there, it says airflow going down. That's the way you're gonna replace the same filter going in. So what we got here is an STP brand. We're gonna pull this one out. Let's take a look at it together. There you go. See, nice and dirty. Right, Jim?
Very dirty.
That's the stuff that you smell. This is Jim's car, and this is what we're doing it on.
All right.
Get the next one. Look in there and make sure there's no debris in there, which usually isn't, because the filter holds it. This one goes back in the same way, people. Airflow going down. All right. The cover goes on. Make sure you hear 2 clicks. Snap, snap. There you go. Just click, click. There you go. Now we're going to come up. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to put that rod back on the little clip there. And then we're going to close the glove box. All right. You going to hold that for me, Jim? See if I can do this over here. Just go up a little more. There you go. Perfect. That's a click. Now we're going to push this in. Just going to squeeze these sides in. You're good to go. There you go. Cabin filter done. We're done. Thank you, Jim. All right. Bye.